This video will show you how to set up a triggered interaction on the panel. Let us suppose you want to create a button on the panel, which triggers an interaction with a combination of events. You will need to create a combination. We will use a path and an effect to make our example. Firstly, set up a path in the scene. When the path is set up, choose a car to place at the starting point of the path. Click Combination. In the parameter setting, set the moving object and attachment object. Set moving speed. The event combination can be viewed in the scene outline. The combination needs to be triggered through panel elements. Therefore, you will need to click the eye icon to hide the combination. Click Blueprint to enter the panel blueprint. There is a preset SOS icon to trigger the combination. Drag a combination of the element node and interaction node from the blueprint. Select Trigger the downstream event upon clicking. Now the setup is complete, you can preview the effect. The event combination is successfully triggered by clicking the SOS icon. That is all for this video. Please check other videos to learn more.